Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the tiger touch animation by using only one photo. How is that possible? Don't worry because this video we will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Pixverse, and you can install it from the Play Store if you are the user of the Android phone, and also in the App Store if you are the user of the iOS or iPhone. And right after you install it, then you can open this application, and as you can see, this is the look of the home page that show you several creations of another user. And actually you can, let's say, see this, and you can use the template if you would like to create something with another creation, or you can explore more through this template. And since we would like to create the animation of tiger touch, then we will type tiger touch and enter it. And as you can see, this is the template that we would like to choose. You can click this, click use template, and after that it will direct you into the gallery that will help you to select the favorite picture that you would like to choose. Then I will choose this picture, and as you can see here that it will need 20 credits. Let me go back a little bit. And as you can see, don't forget to do the login first through your email, because as the new user, this application will give you usually 60 credit. But since I have used 20 credit before, so the credit left is 40 credits. Back to the effect, tiger. Select the picture. So since we have 40 credits and this animation will need 20 credits, so it will be enough. So we can continue to create it, and it will take you a while to wait for this application to generate the video. And this is the result of the notification that the video is ready. So we will still waiting for the result. Kindly wait, and you can also explore while waiting for the result. And as you can see, the result is ready. Then let's see the result. Oh, isn't that cool, right? So you can simply download this video by click this menu or click this button, or you can also upgrade the scale, but it will need 50 credits to go. And you can also share it into your favorite social media. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself and explore more about this application. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.